Hello my dear students, this is class 4 mathematics class of chapter 2 number and number names, and today my topic is order relation. So students, you know different kinds of numbers. So if you have more than one number, then by these three signs you can represent the relation between those numbers. Okay, so first sign, this means greater than, this sign means less than, and you already know this is known as equal to. So suppose you have the numbers 3 and 4, so you can represent those numbers by these three sign. Like we know 3 is less than 4, so we can write as 3 less than 4, or we know 4 is greater than 3, so we can also write like 4 greater than 3. So let me explain with some example. So example 1, which is greater, 84321 or 9847? Now see, the both of them, this is a 5-digit number and this is a 4-digit number. So if you have a 5-digit number and a 4-digit number, so always remember that a 5-digit number is always greater than a 4-digit number, or we can say a 6-digit number is always greater than a 5-digit number. So for this case we don't need to compare the digits, so we can simply write like 84321 greater than 9847. So we have written here 84321 has 5 digits and 9847 has 4 digits. So 5-digit number is always greater than 4-digit number. So 84321 greater than 9847. Now next example, which is smaller, 823619 or 987548? Now see, both of the numbers are 6 digits. Okay, so we cannot conclude from this anything, so we have to compare the digits of these numbers. So we'll start from the left place. So see, this is the lakhs place and this is also lakhs place. So in the lakhs place there is 8 and in this number there is 9. So we know that 8 is less than 9, so we can say this number is always less than this number. So we have written 823619 less than 987548. So if we have a same digits of numbers, then we have to compare the digits of the numbers of the corresponding places. Okay, now see the next example, which is greater, 62389 or 62754? Again both of the numbers are 5 digits, so we are going to compare the digits of those numbers. So see, in the 10,000s place there is 6, also there is 6, so we cannot conclude anything from this, so we have to go to the next place, okay, to find out the greater number. So see, in the thousands place there is 2 and also there is 2, so we cannot conclude anything from this, so we have to go to the next place again. So this is the hundreds place. Now in the hundreds place there is 3 and in this number there is 7. So we already know 7 is always greater than 3. So we can conclude that this number is greater than this number. So we have written like 62754 greater than 62389. Now from this topic come to the another topic, ascending descending order. So this is quite similar to the order relation. So ascending order means from smaller to greater and descending order means from greater to smaller. So let me explain with some example. So write the following numbers in ascending order. So we have these 5 numbers and we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Ascending means increasing, that means from smaller to greater. So we have to start from the smaller number. Okay, so now this is a 5-digit number, this is also 5-digit, this is 5-digit, this is 4-digit and this is 3-digit. So a 3-digit number is always smaller from the 5-digit or 4-digit number. So this is the smaller number. So we'll start from this number. So we have written 489. Next we will have 2791 because this is a 4-digit number and these numbers are 5-digit, and we know that a 4-digit number is always less than a 5-digit number. So we have written 2791. Now we have to compare the digits of these 3 numbers because these both of the numbers are 5 digits. So first comparing the 10,000s places, we have this, there is 1, there is 1 and there is 2. So 1 is less than 2. So we have to compare these two numbers now. Now comparing the thousands place, there is 5, there is 5, so we cannot conclude anything. Now comparing the hundreds place, there is 6 and there is 3. So 3 is less than 6. So this is the smaller number from this. So we have written 15389. After this will come 15635 and the rest number 28707. Now come to the next one. Write the following numbers in descending order. So descending means decreasing. That means greater to smaller. So we have to start from the greater number. Now see, this number and this number are 5-digit number and these 3 numbers are 6-digit numbers. So first we will compare the digits of these 3 6-digit numbers. So now see, in the lakhs place there is 2, there is 2, there is 2. Now in the 10,000s place there is 4, there is 1 and there is 4. So we will compare now these two numbers. Okay. Now in the thousands place there is 2 and there is 1. So 2 is always greater than 1. So this is the greater number. So we will start from this number. So after that this will come. Okay. Now this 6-digit number will come. Now we will compare the 5-digit number. So this in the 10,000s place there is 3 and there is 6. So 6 is greater than 3. So we will have this 67035 and after this 31506 will come. Okay, thank you.